What is going on, YouTube? Hiram here, back from Hiram's Garage. As you can see, I'm in my messy garage. Back at it for another quick video today for you guys. Sorry I missed Tuesday's upload. I will be back next Tuesday, I promise. But anyways, I'm just gonna do a quick video today on the new headlights for the Z that I picked up. So as you can see, I already got the bumper off for the Z. And we're gonna be replacing these headlights. So that's the smaller bulb, the smaller projector housing, with the new Depot style headlights that I picked up. Okay, and I'm just gonna put you guys down. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse and I'll show you guys what it's all about. Alright, so now that I got both headlights removed, what I'm gonna do is I already started putting the bulbs in the new Depot headlights for the driver's side. I'm gonna transfer over the screws over to the new ballast that I got, as well as the new O-rings for those ballasts, the new HID bulbs, and the new LED turn signal bulbs and LED signal lights are already in there. LED city lights are already in there. So once everything's transferred over and all covered up, then I will throw them in the car and I'll show you what they look like. Alright, so that's good news. The turn signal works. So I didn't screw that one up. Let me go test the parking lights next, and then the HIDs. The HIDs are the ones I'm a little bit worried about. So let me go turn those on right now. So that should be parking lights, and you can see the city light LED is on near the bottom here as well, and these are on, and the 4 little LED dots are hard to see during the daytime, but you can see they're on as well. Perfect. And the HID is not on. Damn it! I knew I did something wrong. So figured it out kind of. I switched the bulbs around, still didn't work. Then I'm like, why don't I just turn the car on? Maybe it's not getting enough power. As soon as I turned the car on, the bulb started working. And the Depot headlights look amazing. They look dope as fuck. Sorry, they just look dope. Depot headlights look dope. I wasn't feeling too well at the beginning of this video, which is why my energy's kind of off. But I'm feeling a lot better now that I got that side done. I'm going to quickly bang out the passenger side, put the bumper back on, and I'll show you guys the finished product. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button. It would really help me out a lot. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Easy!